So here's a bottle of Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Professional Final Inspection number 34. You can tell it's from their Pro line because there's way too many words in the title. Anyway, what's it smell like? Let's find out. So here's a weird one. If I told you straight up what this smells like, you would laugh and you would not buy it. And I don't think that's right, because this smells great. I really like how this smells. I've always liked how this smells. And it smells like I remembered. It smells like truck stop soap, or like, you know, rest area soap. Like that slightly faintly cherry kind of soap that, you know, is in the dispensers and stuff. That's what this smells like. Strange, but I like it. Maybe I'm strange because I like it. Or maybe it just smells pretty decent. I don't know. But anyway, Meguiar's Final Inspection. Rest area soap.